Good morning, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Jaspreet. I study in ninth class. Today, I will show you the process of making process of my project formulas of a square. In first step, we have to draw three boxes of square length 16 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Then cut small boxes in the from big box at the distance of 1 centimeter. Then paste a sheet on a thermocol sheet and paste the boxes like this on the thermocol sheet. Then make holes for the LED lights in small boxes. Then put the LED lights in each hole and connect to the battery. Now paste glaze paper on each box of red and blue color. At last you can write the formulas on that thermocol sheet. Like this you can see here. I have written formulas. Area of a big square.